so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango mixed fruit smoothie. Okay, mango mixed fruits smoothie. Alright, so before going into my video, remember to like, share, comment, tell me what you think about my other videos. Guys, remember to keep on sharing with your friends and family. Tell a friend to come over to my channel. Okay guys, so I recently uploaded some wedding pics on my channel, my wedding pics. Yes, some short ones, so go ahead and check them out guys. Yes, go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much for your support so far. So let's dive right into the main video, and guys, remember to follow me on all social at Ann Booth. Okay, thank you so much. So let's dive into the main video. So as I said before, I will be doing a mango mixed fruit smoothie. So here I have some mango strawberry blend, yes, some mango chunks, pineapple chunks, and whole strawberry. Yes, in this package you can get your fruits if they are not in season, or you prefer them cut up. You can also buy them like this to make your smoothie. I also bought in this container here. They have some other fruits too that I'm gonna mix. Yes, and I put them to freeze because I didn't want them to spoil. Alright, so you can freeze your fruits for when you want to make your smoothie. I have a glass of milk and I have a yogurt. You can use any yogurt you prefer. And I have my bullet here ready, so I'm gonna get started. Yes, I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. The fruits is much frozen. Wait, as soon as the liquid goes into it, they will separate. So I'm gonna add some of these fruits, which is strawberry and some grape. And I'm gonna add some of this fruit, which is the mango pineapple. Guys, so I'm gonna put the bits of mangoes in the container. I also want to add some bananas. Yeah. So the mango mixed fruit smoothie. I'm gonna put these aside. Add the rice. I'm gonna add the yogurt, guys. Gonna add the milk. I'm gonna add all of it because the fruits are all frozen. I'm gonna cover. And then I'm gonna blend. And there you have it, guys. This one looks so thick because the fruits were all frozen. Yes, this one is gonna be very creamy. very, very creamy. That's what happens when all the fruits are frozen. You get a thicker, richer smoothie. Okay, look at that. Ooh, it's like slushy ice cream smoothie. And you can also freeze this. Freeze it in a bowl. You can also freeze it, guys, and get a nice creamy smoothie. Ice cream. So there you have it, guys. There you have it, all done. My mango mixed fruit smoothie. So delicious. This smoothie is a real smoothie. So delicious. Mango mixed fruit smoothie consists of frozen strawberry, grapes, frozen pineapple, frozen banana. Yeah. Go ahead and try it. You will like it. And I also use milk and some yogurt. Milk and yogurt. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you think about this video.